Hello and welcome to today's episode of Learn German Online with Schneider Institute. Today we're going to be learning a very interesting topic, and that has to do with introduction in German. Now the word introduction means Vorstellung. 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 I know you're going to try the pronunciation with me. Vorstellung. Well, it's quite easy, like the number 4, which you already know in English, and then Stellung. Vorstellung. So let's try the pronunciation together. Vorstellung. Okay, so let's go. So today I'll be teaching you how to say your name, your age, where you're from, where you live, what you do for a living, your hobbies. I'm going to be teaching you all that in German. So the first thing I'll be teaching you how to say in German is how to say your name. And the word for name is Name. The same spelling as name in English, and it's known as Name. Now the question to ask you what is your name is Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? Let's take it together. V, of course you know from the alphabet that W is pronounced as V, right? Heißen is the verb to be called. Then Sie is you in a formal context. We learned the pronouns already. Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? Now, wie heißen Sie means, what is your name? What are you called? As a reply, if your name is John, you say, Ich heiße John. Ich heiße. Take into the pronunciation. Heiße. Can we take it again? Heiße. Ich heiße John. Or you say, mein Name ist John. That's my name is John. My Name is John. So what is your name? Tell us your name. I'm going to ask you right now, what is your name? And you tell me your name. If your name is Mary, you say it's heiße Mary. Your name is Tina, you say it's heiße Tina. Whatever your name is, please reply. My question now to you is Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? I'm sure you've given me the answer already. Okay, now we're going to move to the next one, and that is how to say your age. Now the question to say how old are you is Wie alt sind Sie? Wie alt sind Sie? Take note of my pronunciation. It is not sind, it is sind. Sie. Alright? This S is pronounced like a Z. Z. Wie alt sind Sie? That is how old are you, okay? So, for you to reply, you say Ich bin. Of course, you know Ich bin means I am. You put your age, and then Jahre alt. Jahre means years, alright? So, if you're 50 years old, you say Ich bin 50 Jahre alt. I am 50 years old, for example. If you're 40 years old, you say Ich bin 40 Jahre alt. If you are 30 years old, you say Ich bin 30 Jahre alt. If you're 20 years old, you say Ich bin 20 Jahre alt. Recap on the numbers so you don't forget, alright? So, whatever your age is, simply insert Ich bin, which means I am. Put your age correctly. And Jahre alt. Jahre alt means years old, alright? So, wie alt sind Sie? Ich bin 20 Jahre alt. Ich bin 30 Jahre alt. Ich bin 40 Jahre alt. Okay, up next we have where you come from. Ooh, okay. Where are you watching from? Where do you come from? Are you from Nigeria? Are you from Ghana? Are you from France? Are you from Germany? Where are you from? This is the point you get to tell me where you are from. Now the question is, woher kommen Sie? Where are you from? Woher kommen Sie? Woher kommen Sie? Where are you from? Now the answer is Ich komme aus Nigeria. I am from Nigeria. So if you're from Nigeria, you say Ich komme aus Nigeria. Ich komme aus Nigeria. I am from Nigeria. Ich komme aus Nigeria. Alright? So once again, woher kommen Sie? Ich komme aus Nigeria. So up next, we have Sprechen. Was sprechen Sie? What do you speak? Alright? Let's try it together. Was sprechen Sie? Was sprechen Sie? Was sprechen Sie? What do you speak? What languages do you speak? And here in the reply, I have Ich spreche Deutsch. Of course, now you now speak German, so you need to reply Ich spreche Deutsch. Ich spreche Deutsch. If you speak English, you can say Ich spreche English. If you speak French, you can say Ich spreche Französisch, as the case may be, all right? If you speak Spanish, you can say Ich spreche Spanish. Once again, the question is, was sprechen Sie? What do you speak, or what languages do you speak? If you speak two languages, English and Deutsch, you can say Ich spreche English und Deutsch. Or you say Ich spreche English, Deutsch und Spanish. Up next we have where you stay or where you live. Wo wohnen Sie? Where do you live? Wo wohnen Sie? All right. My answer here is Ich wohne in Berlin. I live or I stay in Berlin. The question is wo. Let's say it together. Wo wohnen Sie? Wo wohnen Sie? Ich wohne in Berlin. Ich wohne in Berlin. I stay in Berlin. That's the answer. Ich wohne in Berlin. Wo wohnen Sie? All right. So up next we have, wie ist Ihr Familienstand? What is your marital status? And we take it together. Wie ist Ihre Familienstand? Wie ist Ihre Familienstand? What is your marital status? Now, the word Familienstand means marital status. Let's take it together. Familienstand. Take note of how I pronounce the T at the end. Familienstand. Familienstand. All right? Okay, so what is your marital status? If you are single, you say Ich bin ledig. Not ledig. Ledig. Ich bin ledig. See it here? Ich bin ledig. I am single. If you are married, you say Ich bin verheiratet. The word verheiratet means to be married. Verheiratet. Now let's take it together. Verheiratet. Verheiratet. Fair, like to be fair, for something to be high, ratet. Ich bin verheiratet. Okay, so once again, the question is, wie ist Ihre Familienstand? If you're single, you say Ich bin ledig. If you're married, you say Ich bin verheiratet. Let's move. Up next, I'm going to teach you how to say your profession. And the word for profession means beruf. Beruf. Let's try it together. Beruf. Beruf. And the question is, was sind Sie von Beruf? What is your profession? Was sind Sie von Beruf? All right? Now the answer is, if you are a teacher, you say Ich bin Lehrer von Beruf. Ich bin Lehrer von Beruf. I am a teacher by profession. If you are a female teacher, you say Ich bin Lehrerin von Beruf. I am a teacher by profession, basically. All right? So in another lesson, I'm going to teach you the professions. You're going to know how to say different professions. If you're a doctor, if you're an architect, you're going to learn how to say the different professions so you can be able to insert your profession correctly here. But the question for what is your profession is, was sind Sie von Beruf? Remember the correct spelling, Beruf. All right? Okay, so let's see the next slide. In the next one, I'm going to be teaching you about hobby. You know, it's the same pronunciation as English. Of course, you know what hobbies are in English. Was ist Ihr Hobby? That is the question. Was ist Ihr Hobby? What is your hobby? Now, as an answer, you say, mein Hobby ist, then you call your hobby. If your hobby is reading, you say, mein Hobby is lesen. Lesen is to read, right? If your hobby, if you have more than one hobby, you can say, meine Hobbys sind. No more ist. Ist is for singular and sind is for plural. Meine Hobbys sind Schreiben und Essen. Schreiben is the verb to write. Essen is the verb to eat. So if you like writing and eating, then you say meine Hobbys sind Schreiben und Essen. Question again is, was ist Ihr Hobby? What is your hobby? All right? Mein Hobby ist Lesen. Mein Hobby is reading. Meine Hobbys sind Schreiben und Essen. Okay, so I have taught you how to say your name. Just to recap before we leave, so you have to say your name. If you want to say your name, you say Ich heiße or mein Name ist. I taught you how to say your age. All right? Ich bin Jahre alt. So if you're 50 years old, you say ich bin 50 Jahre alt. You're 40 years old, you say ich bin 40 Jahre alt. I have also taught you to say where you come from. Ich komme aus Nigeria. I don't think, never forget that, basically. Ich komme aus Nigeria. I also taught you how to say where you stay. If you stay in Lagos, you say ich wohne in Lagos. You stay in Accra, you say ich wohne in Accra. You stay in Deutschland, you say ich wohne in Deutschland. You wohne in Berlin, for example, like our example here. So use the city and you say ich wohne, all right? I also taught you how to say your marital status, Familienstand. If you're single, you say ich bin ledig. If you're married, you say ich bin verheiratet. I also taught you how to say your profession, Beruf, all right? And I've also taught you how to say your hobbies, basically, all right? So this is what we have learned for today, introduction. Please send your assignments to the email displaying on your screen. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on YouTube if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel. And follow us on Instagram at Schneider Institute to get loads of giveaways. Please introduce yourself correctly. Send me your answers to your assignments and let me know who you are properly. Tell me your name, your age, where you are from, what you do for a living, what languages you speak, and I would love to hear from you. Thank you and see you in the next class.